I'm Roger Groh at Grow Asset Management. We're here today to talk about what you can do with your bond portfolio to protect it against increasing interest rates. Has CNBC convinced you that interest rates are going to go up? Well, if you think that they are, the value of your bond portfolio would likely decline. What can you do to protect yourself? Well, number one is shorten up the duration of the bonds, meaning own bonds that mature in 30 days or 60 or 90 or a very short time period. Number two, you could buy insurance policies to insure the portfolio against increasing interest rates. These are very sophisticated instruments that are traded between banks to protect their own bond portfolios. So you're going to need help in terms of structuring and buying one of these. However, they act as an insurance policy. And in theory, as interest rates go up, the value of these instruments also go up, and therefore offset the decline in the value of the bond portfolio. Hope that helps. Be sure to talk to your lawyer, to your accountant, and to your broker about this. This is a very sophisticated but meaningful product. I'm Roger Groh, and thank you very much for listening.